Simple solutions to life.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, in case you see me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm saying a big welcome to you this morning. I have to show you this standing, yes, because I'm serious, guys. I'm serious. See, this morning I want to show us how you can do it on your own, at home, by yourself, all alone, just you. Yes, how to remove evil arrow, how to remove curses laid on you by some people. Yes, people can send arrow to you, people can send different kinds of calamities and all that to you. So you can try this particular remedy I want to show you this morning. It's very simple. It's something that you can find around you, something that you have at home. You can use this. It's a matter of having the understanding and the knowledge and how you can put it together. So in the recipe of today, how to remove evil arrow, how to remove evil curses, that someone has laid on you, or how to neutralize curses, jacks, hex placed on you by some people. I think what you'll be needing in this particular recipe is you'll be needing black pepper. Black lemon powder. Yes, this is black lemon powder. You'll be needing black lemon powder, and then you'll be needing your table salt. This is not sea salt. You'll be needing your normal table salt, the one you use to cook at home, okay? And then apart from that, you'll be needing water. You'll be needing water, okay? And if you like, you can put lime. Yes, natural lime, just lime, okay? You can use lime. Lemon is different from lime, okay? In this our recipe, we have the black lemon powder, we have the lime, that is fresh lime. Yes, but if you cannot get fresh lime, what you have is black lemon powder. You can use it, okay? And then you will be needing salt, your normal table salt. Then with your water. How do you use this? And what time of the day are you supposed to use this? And who is supposed to use this? And how many days are you supposed to use this to see results? Yes, let me tell you one thing. In spirituality, when you're trying to set yourself free from a certain thing that people sent to you, or you feel all is not well, you have to keep trying, okay? You can try it like maybe like this one now. When you put it together, when you put this procedure together, you're going to pour it inside the hot water. Yes, you can pour it inside. You can steam your water. Then you pour your water inside the container where you're going to place it. You can just get a container like this one, or something bigger than this. In fact, you're supposed to do it bigger than this, because in my own case, I prefer to tell people to use big pot, okay? If you have a big pot, clean one that you're not using to cook anything, just use it. Boil the water inside. Put these items inside. This lime, you slice it. You slice it into 3, okay? This is lime. Then this black lemon powder, you put like a teaspoon or a tablespoon, it depends on your choice, inside, okay? Then you will now put salt, just a pinch of salt inside. Do you know why we always tell you to use a pinch of salt? Because if you use large quantity of salt. Some people have high BP. They are not supposed to have, their body is not supposed to have contact, with salt, or they don't eat salt and all that. So you minimize the salt. But if you are not hypertensive, then you can put the salt according to the quantity that you need. Yes. So once this is done, you put all this together. The water will be steaming hot. Then you cover yourself, steam yourself in it. When you steam yourself, when the water is cold, as in calm down, the way you can use it, then you use this water to rub on your body and be saying whatever it is that the enemy has thrown to me, let it go back to sender. Let it go back to sender. And you must read Psalm 35. Yes, read Psalm 35. Because at times when you don't read the Bible verse, it will not carry that power. Yes, that is the secret. See, even in the other kingdom, they use psalms. If you don't know, you should know now. Yes, I have to summarize this like this because some of you don't watch my video till the end and it's depriving you of some vital information. So I have to compress it together. At the end of this video, I will show you the water so that you will know that you have to actually boil this water so that it will give you the heat that you need. Yes, and in case you cannot go through all this, and you need something to do your back to sender, as in remove what the enemy has sent to you or fire it back to the sender, then you can place order for our back to sender. Yes, this is back to sender. It's a herb also. This is a herb. It's a herb, and then you can place order for it. All you need to do is just add a pinch of it inside water and bathe with it. You can use it for your children, you can use it for your husband, use it for yourself, use it for your wife, use it for, like this container, your whole family can use it. So it is cost effective, okay? And you do it, you take bath with back to sender once in a week. Yes, just once in a week. That's all you need. You don't need to use it every day. Some people are using it every day. But in some strong and serious situation, do you know that people put this back to sender inside hot water, make it like tea and drink it? Like maybe the sickness is inside the body. Yes, it's inside the body and you've tried all. People do put this inside water and boil it and drink it. Yes. So, guys, I don't want this video to be too long, but I want to show you something for hypertension. This one is high BP. If you have high BP, you can take this. It will reduce or remove, bring your blood back to normal. Yes, in case you have not been placed on drugs, and even if you are on drugs, you only take this once in a week. Don't take it every day. You only take half teaspoon once in a week. What is a teaspoon? This is a teaspoon. This is a teaspoon, half of it. That's what you will take. If you take 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, your BP will go down. Doctors start looking for how to bring it up. This is highly effective. Yes. So, and then this is this one is for diabetes, for people who have blood sugar problem and people who have bowel problem. You cannot go to toilet freely. You go to toilet today until next week or until how many days time before you go to toilet again. You can use this. Yes, and it is very, very effective. It brings down your BP also. For those who have erectile problem, you are a man, you cannot perform well, your priesthood is not standing the way you want it. It's not strong the way you want, or you cannot maintain certain frequency for a long time. Use this. Oh God, Medina. Hey, now what for you? See, this is Bitazeze. Bitazeze for women. Yes, grab that your man and keep him forever. This is spiritual collagen. This is one of the best seller on this channel. You can use this, okay? It's very, very effective. And this is Mampi. liquid for men. Yes, I warn people, if you know your lady is not going to cooperate with you, don't use it too. Because if you use it and there's no cooperation, you cannot go and perform or jog in any valley. You'll be awake when others are sleeping and you'll be, don't call my name. Don't say me the Lord, I'm not there. This is highly effective. Yes. So, and then which other one? Yes, asthma. For those who are asthmatic, you can use this. Asthma, yes. If you have hereditary asthma or environmental asthma, you know, drug-induced asthma or whatever, or witchcraft-induced asthma, whichever one you have, you can try this, okay? And you take this for 21 days and you kiss asthma goodbye. Yes, this is highly effective too. And then we also have anti-gum powder. We just gave the testimony of anti-gum. If you have not seen that video, you can check out that video for yourself. Trial will convince you. Yes. So this is anti-gun protection, anti-bullet protection. Yes. If you wear bullet, if you wear jacket, bulletproof jacket now, they can aim at your head, aim at your neck, or aim at your leg. You can bleed to death. Yes now. So you can, why not take overall? When they just shoot gun, you just be hearing poof, poof, poof. No bullet will hit you. It will be falling down like pebbles. Yes, but if you are a criminal, it will not work for you. Yes. So guys, I want to stop here. I want to stop here. Which one will I even show you myself? This is anti-cancer. Anti-cancer. Brain tumor, breast cancer, even prostate cancer. Any kind of cancer that you know, leukemia, whatever, this one is highly effective for it. People are testifying already. So see you guys. I'll put the video of the water behind, so you look at it. See you again in our next video. Bye. When boiling this type of water, you have to close it. You have to close it so that the steam will not escape. Nothing should escape from this water. And when this water is hot enough, then you add all the other ingredients in it. Then you steam yourself and also use it to bathe yourself. Yes.